triangle ABC has coordinates 6, 1, 12, 4, negative 6, 2. The triangle is dilated from the origin, that's the key, means we can multiply, by a scale factor of 1/2. Identify the coordinates of A prime, B prime, and C prime. Okay, half of 6 is 3, and 1 times 1/2 is just a half. Half of 12 is 6, half of 4 is 2, half of negative 6 is negative 3, and half of 2 is 1. Figure DEFG is shown on the coordinate plane below. The figure is dilated from the origin by a scale factor of 3/2. Identify the coordinates of the dilated figure D prime, E prime, F prime, G prime, and then draw it on the coordinate plane. Mine is already drawn, so once you're finished, you want to check your answer to make sure it looks like mine. We have coordinate D is negative 3, positive 1. E is negative 1, negative 1. F is positive 6, positive 1. And G is 0, 5. Now we're going to multiply all of those by 3/2. Okay, so negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. 1 times 3/2 is 3/2. Negative 1 times 3/2 is negative 3/2. Three times 6 is 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 0 times 3/2 is still 0. 5 times 3/2 is 15/2. Now, if all we had to do was find the coordinates, we could stop there. But because we have to graph them, it's going to be easier if we turn them into mixed numbers so we know what two numbers these are between. Negative 9/2 is negative 4.5. And 3/2 is positive 1.5. (15/2) is the same as 7.5. So when we put those points on it, it's easier to figure out which two whole numbers it's between when we have them written as mixed numbers. Figure DEFG has coordinates 1, 1, 7, 3, 5, negative 4, negative 1, negative 4. The figure is dilated, again, from the origin, meaning we can multiply, by a scale factor of 7. Identify the coordinates of D prime, E prime, F prime, and G prime. So go ahead and try and fill these ones in on your own and tell me what those coordinates are. We've set up the past 4 problems together and finished them. This one is set up for you. All you have to do is fill in those coordinates by multiplying everything by 7.